Welcome back. In this video we are solving Leetcode problem 238, product of array except self. So the problem is pretty self-explanatory. The only thing we need to have in mind is that we need to write an algorithm that runs in O of n time and without using the division operation. And there is a follow-up, can we do it in O of 1 extra space, but first let's do it in O of n space, and then we are going to optimize for the space. Okay, so what's the idea? The idea is to calculate prefix sum and postfix sum for each index and just multiply both of them. So we essentially so for one we multiply all right of it to all left of it. So for this index we have nothing to left, that's going to be then 1, and we multiply by 1 by what's right of it. For the 2 it's again 1, because here we have 1 times 3 times 4. So let's go and code this up. So let's go with prefix is, let me first take length. So length is equal okay, I essentially don't need it actually. Postfix is equal to, okay, so I'll have pre, that will be equal to 1, and for I in range length, so we put on prefix of, or we just append in this way, so append pre, and we update pre with current nums of I. Okay, now we need to do similar for postfix. So post is equal to 1. But this time we need to do it in opposite, so in reverse order from the last index to the first. So length minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, this way we would need to, okay, let's do it like this, times length, so 1 times length, and postfix of I times equal post okay. Now that we got postfix and prefix, we can calculate our result. So or we can just return I times j for I j in zip probably this is going to work. And yeah, it's accepted. Let's submit. And it works. Okay. So in this example we have O of n time complexity and also space complexity is all of 1, but we can optimize the space complexity to be all of 1 in a way that we don't use this prefix and postfix, because we can just multiply it by the way. So let this be, or I'll use this one. So output, and so here output, we use this, so output of I is equal to prefix, and so the same thing for postfix, but we don't need postfix, so just output of I is equal to output of I times post. So, and here we just return output. Let's try this out. Seems okay. And yeah, it works. So just to reiterate, we did the same thing, but we haven't stored so prefix and postfix in prefix and postfix array. We put prefix in our output directly, and also the postfix, just we multiplied what we got with prefix, and that's it. That's our solution. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Thank you for following this one, and see you in the next one.